Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the tablet model and whether it accepts Bluetooth or USB keyboards, because the connection method changes everything. Once done, charge the keyboard to at least 20% or insert fresh batteries so pairing won't drop. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off to avoid interference. Keep both devices within 1 meter. If the keyboard is wired, plug a USB OTG adapter into the tablet, now so you can connect the keyboard's USB cable directly. If Bluetooth, press the keyboard's pairing button and wait for its name to appear under Settings right arrow Bluetooth. Tap to pair and verify the code if shown. If wired, plug the keyboard into the tablet via the OTG adapter and watch for a notification that an external keyboard is connected. Once connected, open Byju's app. Make sure the app is updated and accept any input or accessibility permissions so key mapping and shortcuts work correctly. Test typing in a text field to confirm responsiveness. To finish, adjust keyboard layout under Android settings right arrow system, right arrow languages, and input if some characters are wrong. Select the correct layout so shortcuts match. If you see lag or missed keys, restart the tablet, then repair or replug the keyboard and clear the Byju's app cache to remove temporary glitches. If a wired connection won't work, swap to a different OTG adapter or switch to a Bluetooth keyboard as a quick fallback. This single check often fixes compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.